Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Boxes, Storage Made Simple app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Boxes is a storage management app designed to simplify how individuals and businesses handle their belongings. The app allows users to schedule pickups, track stored items, manage inventory, and arrange deliveries with ease. It also provides secure storage options, customizable space solutions, and real-time tracking for better organization. Users can manage both short-term and long-term storage needs efficiently through its intuitive interface. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. The app is appreciated for its convenience, clean interface, and ease of scheduling pickups and deliveries. Users like the ability to track items in real time and customize storage solutions based on their needs. It is especially useful for those with limited space at home or businesses needing flexible storage options. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Service availability may vary by region, which can affect timely pickups or deliveries. Some users have reported occasional delays in item retrieval, and premium storage features may require additional costs. Additionally, those who prefer in-person management might find it less hands-on than traditional storage methods. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button, it really supports the channel. In summary, the Boxes app may be worth using if you're looking for a tech-driven, flexible, and convenient way to manage personal or business storage. It excels in ease of use, organization, and real-time tracking. However, if you live in areas with limited service or prefer direct in-person management, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.